Alright, so these are artificial toenails from Temu. The opening of the Temu bag and pricing for these is up here in this link. Alright, let's see what's in here. Okay, so here's the toenails. It says on here 12 to 24 nails. It does give instructions on how to put them on. They're press on, they say. Press on, not glue. Anyway, so here they are. I got a couple of packages. This is just one design that I got. There's an emery board. It says in the instructions about filing them to fit them on your nail if they're too big. And there's this. I guess you just go over. I'm not sure. And then there's this. These are okay, so it's not glue, they're stick-on. Alright, here's one of the little nails. And these little things here are the stick-on things. So you pick the right size. And let's see. You get 2 sheets here. So you peel this off. Peel it off. Go to the size you need. Peel that off. Hope you can see that.
You don't know where it went.
Alright. So you just stick it on back, and there's a little tab, and you pull that little tab, you pull the little tab, and there, now it's sticky on the other side too, where you're going to put it on your toenail. Okay, for this one I had to cut it down on the sides, but I need to cut it across the top too. So here's my next toe, and you just put it on like so. You can kind of wiggle it around like that. Stick it down, hold it down, up. Cute, right? Okay, I'm going to do the rest of my toes. So here they are. I had to cut the big toenails with the butterflies on them. I had to cut them on the sides and the top of them a lot. So I lost, I think, some of the curve on the sides. So I don't really care the way those look on my toes. But I think the other ones look pretty good. I didn't have to cut them down at all. Yeah. The big toe ones are not very stuck on there. They look like they may, or they feel like I could just lift them off right now. Yeah. But I do like the rest of my toes, how they turned out. No cutting or filing of those at all. So my opinion is, but I do think the rest of the toes turned out pretty cute. But I think my big toes look too fake. That's my opinion. Now this is 3 days after applying the toenails. This one here likes to move around a little, but it's still, there's lots of sticky stuff under there that's still hanging on. I mean, look at, you can kind of lift it up, but then stick it back down. It's like a tacky kind of glue, I guess. So that's pretty good. All right, now my conclusion is they work pretty good, and I would buy them again.